Remove the skin from the chicken breasts and thighs. In a clean sink, wash the chicken and remove any unwanted excess skin. If the chicken breasts are too big and you'd like smaller pieces, cut the chicken breasts in half. Rinse the chicken again. Place the chicken in a large pot. Make sure you deep clean your sink before placing anything in it. Add 3 gallons of water. Place the pot on the stove on high heat and add 1/4 cup of salt or as desired, and an onion. Once the chicken releases foam, use a strainer to remove the foam and lower the heat to medium-low. Cook it for about 30 to 45 minutes or until it has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the garlic, tomatoes, onion, salt, and water in the blender. Puree and set aside. Heat 1 cup of oil in a large pan over high heat. Add the rice and stir constantly to evenly cook it until puffed and lightly golden. Using a strainer, carefully remove the excess oil. Stir in the tomato sauce and chicken broth. Cover and bring to a boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low. Stir, taste, and adjust the seasoning as needed. Cover and simmer on low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. Stir the rice every so often to ensure that it is evenly cooking. Place the tomatoes, onions, salt, and water in the blender. Puree and set aside. Heat half a cup of oil in a large pan. Add the fideo and stir constantly to evenly cook it until golden brown. Using a strainer, carefully remove the excess oil. Stir in the tomato sauce and chicken broth. Cover and bring to a boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low, taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Simmer for about 10 minutes. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and if you're new, subscribe. And as always, if you make this recipe or any of the recipes that I post, tag me on Instagram. Stay tuned for next week's video, which is going to be part 2 of my mom's mole con pollo. Hasta pronto!